pumpkin smashing so we can feed the deer. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready? All right, who's first? Go ahead, Coop. Go ahead, boys. Get it. Get it. Get it, Tommy. Go ahead, get it. Here, Tommy. Why don't we lay it on its back and you can smash its face. There you go. Get it, Tommy. All right, there you go. Good job. Again. Oh, you missed. Watch your toes.
Again. There you go.
Good job. Go ahead, Coop.
I'll flip it over. Now do it.
You ready, Logan? You got a hammer or are you waiting on one? All right, we'll do you next. Oh, are you just going to throw it down? All right. Bam! Look at that. Nice. Tommy's chiseling a message in his. Get it! Get it! Oh my gosh. You can stomp on it too. Stomp on it. Get it. Get it. Don't hurt your nose again though.
Oh no, my thing!
What thing?
This.
Oh, your little light. Yeah, pick up your lights, guys.
I don't know where.
There it is. All right, put it in the tractor. We don't want the deer to get that. All right, are we done?
No, not yet.
All right, finish it up.
Close. I'm smacking the step.
Oh man. Coop's golfing. All right, Happy Gilmore. I don't know. Where's your stem at? I think you smushed it in. There it is, right there.
Watch.
Oh man.
The
Oi.
big part.
There you go, Coop.
Look.
All right, let's let the deer get them now. You guys are angry today.